Deputies have made an arrest in a Kalamazoo County sexual assault case dating back to 2010, thanks to an ongoing program involving rape test kits.
Here's News 8's David Horak with more.
Yeah, the program behind this is called the Sexual Assault Kit Initiative, or SAKI for short. It's a DOJ-funded, coordinated response that links together advocacy groups, law enforcement agencies, county prosecutors, and state attorney general's offices to ensure just resolution for sexual assault cases, especially ones involving untested rape kits.
Reinvestigating them, seeing if prosecution was still a possibility, and then moving forward with those cases.
One of them deals with a January 2010 sexual assault investigation in Kalamazoo County. On Monday, sheriff's deputies in southeastern Florida arrested 32-year-old Cameron Alvarez after the program identified him as a suspect 12 years later.
Oftentimes in criminal investigations, time is not our friend. What we have found is in some of these cases, though, it has been, and we're able to move forward on cases that are 5 years old, 10 years old, 12 years old now, where we weren't able to move forward before.
The state attorney general's office explains victims in these cases may not have been treated fairly when it originally happened, which requires great care by a specialized team to be handled properly now. When it comes to the untested kits, an AG spokesman added the DNA in the kits does not deteriorate over time. Suspect DNA is not found in every kit, but that does not mean that a sexual assault did not occur. SAKI teams are trained to conduct comprehensive investigations, whether or not suspect DNA is found in the testing of the kits.
The DNA is what the DNA is, and it doesn't lie. If the DNA matches the suspect, then something happened that caused that DNA to be there.
Since Kalamazoo Sake was formed in 2017, about 200 cases were referred to the project, which helped prosecutors lead to some convictions, including William Johnson, who raped at least 3 different women from 2001 to 2014, and Jamal Vincent, who was sentenced for a 2009 rape and is awaiting trial for 2 others. With Cameron Alvarez awaiting extradition back to Michigan, it could be another sign of how the program continues to work for sexual assault victims.
These victims have suffered a terrible ordeal, and the ongoing trauma that goes along with these kinds of cases, they have to have help to get them through this process.
We are working to get more details on this case, but we do know that Alvarez will be facing 2 counts of first-degree criminal sexual conduct. We don't know, however, when exactly he will be extradited and when he will make his first court appearance. We're in Kalamazoo. David Horak, News 8.